Hello my viewers, how are you doing? This is Dada and welcome to my channel Learn from Dada. In our video today, we will learn how to schedule a meeting in Teams. So let's start. We will open Microsoft Teams first. Under the Calendar tab, select New Meeting. We will be entering our meeting info over here. Just make sure the time zone matches your time zone. Enter the meeting title over here. Enter the email IDs of the person you want to invite for your meeting. After entering the email ID, select Invite Email ID. For our tutorial, let's select this date and this time. Enter the meeting duration. You can enter meeting agenda or information over here. After giving all the information, click on Send to send the meeting invitation. Now you can see that our meeting schedule has been created. Let's open our Gmail account and see whether the meeting link has been received. Dear viewers, you can see our link has been received. If the person whom we have sent the link click on yes, then he has accepted the meeting and a notification will be sent to the person who has organized the meeting. And the person will be able to join the meeting by clicking on Join Meeting. So viewers, this is how you can schedule a meeting in Teams. Thank you everyone for watching my video. And I believe this video was very much helpful to you. So please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.